Hi, my name is Jermaine Lara. My interests to the project were on space exploration and sustainability, and also sustainable planets. My contributions to the group were analyzing and comparing the different factors between planets and Earth. I also researched the habitable zone and possible Earth-like planets in that zone.
Hi, my name is Nam Jun, and for this Group 4 project, my interests were thinking about reality effect of what could possibly happen to Earth after running out of power and resources. And then my contribution to this group was getting creative, sharing ideas, writing, and making some videos for this project.
Hey, my name is Ben. I'm in IB Sports and Exercise Science. My contributions to the project include helping out with research, figuring out the overall structure of the video, and finding out the conditions of TRAPPIST-1D and if those meet any of the conditions for life. My interests include, I actually used to want to be an astronaut, so this is really interesting to me. Always wanted to go to outer space and always thought that space exploration was really interesting.
The habitable zone, or the Goldilocks zone, is a range of orbit around a star in which a planet can support liquid water and it has a sufficient atmospheric pressure. It was based off of the Earth's position around in the solar system and the amount of energy it received from the sun. Liquid water is obviously essential to life and is a factor that is necessary for a planet to be habitable. If there's a planet that is in the CHZ, or the habitable zone, and can also have liquid water and a sufficient atmosphere, it could potentially be a candidate for a planet that could be habitable in the future. The CHZ, however, is not the only factor that determines if a planet is habitable. There are many other factors such as sufficient gravity and an abundant amount of O2 that is necessary for life to thrive. However, the CHZ can provide a potentially natural habitat that humans can thrive and survive in and get used to in the future.
So what we're going to be looking at today is the discovery of a new solar system that has been discovered to possibly be compatible with life. The name of this solar system is the TRAPPIST-1 solar system, and it consists of 7 planets named TRAPPIST-1A through TRAPPIST-1D, or 1G, sorry. It's likely that there are a few conditions that are met that would mean that the planets in this solar system are actually in the habitable zone of this within the star. The best candidate that we saw, looking at statistics and looking at the list of the planets, was TRAPPIST-1D. TRAPPIST-1D has been discovered to be about half the size of Earth and also have about the same gravity. Another condition that TRAPPIST-1D meets is that it might also possibly have water on it. And we were able to discover this because using the Kepler telescope, we saw that there was gas given off. There were traces of gas in the around the planet. This means that water was potentially dissociated, which basically means just breaking apart by nuclear energy that was given off the sun and broken into its smaller components, those being H2 and O2. Because of this water being broken up, this means that there might also be the possibility of oxygen, but this is not confirmed yet.
Arguments against TRAPPIST-1D habitability. Very strong wind caused by unequal heating of TRAPPIST-1D. TRAPPIST-1D is tidally locked, meaning that only one side of the planet faces its star. Solar flares are frequent and could be a threat to potential life because of the radiation and energy they release. Radiation caused by the star would quickly break up organic molecules before the life could even survive. So, in conclusion, TRAPPIST-1D needs some sort of requirements of being habitable, such as having the CHZ and having a suitable temperature that life could possibly live in. But because of radiation, it cannot support life. So, in general, this means that TRAPPIST-1D won't be a planet we can live in one day.
So for our mind map, we first started off with Earth-like habitable planets. We then went to factors needed to support life on these habitable planets, and we separated those factors into 5 different ones: O2 gas, the CHV or the Goldilocks zone, the suitable atmospheric pressure, the availability of liquid water, and suitable gravity. We narrowed it down to the TRAPPIST galaxy, and in this galaxy we went to TRAPPIST-1d as our planet. We then came to the realization that the irradiation made it non-suitable for life, among other factors.